Hey there, web travelers! Today we're opening Beach Party. Look at that. It's Fate on the cover. There's my waifu. That's the only reason why I bought this box. Whoa, I need to put my finger into the hole and then the box opens. It's just like a real life. Let's see what we have. We have one guaranteed hit, which I'm gonna open later. There's even boobs on the packs, and here you can see it even more clearly, which makes me happy. From my feeling, there is a lot of air in here, so I don't think I would be satisfied. I'm already not satisfied because the first card that I see is a freaking puzzle piece. How could you? You have only 3 cards in a pack, where it's not the thing that it wouldn't fit. There's a lot of air in here, easily 5 cards at least, and then you put a puzzle piece. What the fuck, man? I am disappointed in you, Beach Party, right away. And it's gonna be, I'm telling you what's gonna happen. There are gonna be like a freaking 6 puzzles that you can complete, and it's gonna be a disaster. It's an SSR, and this one has 3 peaches. I don't know what that means. I only can see 2. So as also an SSR, it's very cute. The shine is alright, the cards are fine. It's just why 3? That's lame, first of all. Second of all, a puzzle piece when you have 3 cards. Fuck off. In the web travelers community, we call that BS. Okay, what the fuck? I'm happy to see not a puzzle piece. Oh, okay, I thought for a second there was only 2 cards. Because some boxes do that. You have a hit, you have 1 card less. Freaking greedy piece of shenanigans. A cute QR. It's a cute chibi with boobs. I haven't seen that before, so I don't know how to feel about that, not gonna lie. But the shine is beautiful, so I'm kind of amazed at what for feelings you can do with 1 card. Alrighty, I'm gonna put it to the side. We have the Bocchi Rock. No Rock, how the fuck, I forgot the name, but it looks like it. I don't know if it's her, but I think it is. And then we have Genshin Impact. A lot of Kit Kat team around here. Oh yo, we got a burst! Ultra rare! Which looks awesome. Okay, now you're kind of redeeming yourself, box. But still, 3 cards? That's lame. Don't do this. Damn, this shine is awesome. The card is also great. Genshin Impact. I'm gonna display it. And we're back to the Kitty Catty. Kitty Catty, I don't know who that is. It kind of looks like a chick from High School DxD, but I don't think that's her. Oh, there's even names here. Like, I'm fucking stupid. Is it Jeanne d'Arc? Is it Fate? That's then Fate. It should be Fate. I didn't pay attention to this. Can you blame me? Look at this. How can you pay attention for something else? After this pack, I'm gonna open the promo pack. Oh yeah, of course, a puzzle piece. Haha, hee hee. Oh, ho, ho, ho. And from the looks of it, look. Do you think it's the same piece? Nice. Probably not. I'm pretty sure it's not. So the fucking 2 worthless piece of junk, which I paid my money for. Then we have this monstrosity. Damn. Okay. And another Genshin Impact, probably. I don't want to damage the card. So I'm very... What the fuck the fuck did I got? Holy moly. Okay, at the 2 sides, but this side is shiny. Is it now AI generated, or is it a cosplayer and it's just like Photoshop to space and beyond? I still don't know. I think it's AI. I don't know which character that is. I have a little bit of vibes of Erishigal, but the hair doesn't check out, so that's a guaranteed hit that we got. Hey, we have another puzzle piece, which is somewhere. I don't know where, but it's... Oh wait, I'm just so stupid. There it is. Hey, that's a quintessential quintuplets. And then we have this chickaroonie. It's always 3 peaches, so I don't think peaches... I don't think peaches mean something. We have something special in here. We have an SP. The shine looks awesome. Don't know who you are, but thank you for that. I'm gonna display you, not on Yoko's face. You are not better than her, so fuck off. And, ooh, a wet t-shirt. Of course, we have the other puzzle piece. which is probably, it might be the first one that we got. It just might be because I see some beach vibes, and this flower is probably for this girl. Because, yeah, I think so. At least there are 2 puzzles so far, which is not something that I expected. I expected to be way more. Okay, man, those are very horny. I love that. That's the only redeeming quality of this set, after all of shit, is that the cards are pretty nice and horny. Holy shit, those are just beyond human understanding. What the fuck? Okay, don't know how that works. Hey, that's cute. That's really cute. I love that. I'm gonna display that. I enjoy this card. We have only 2 packs left. And obviously I get 1 more puzzle piece. I don't think that's how it works. Nope, definitely doesn't. I also don't like, that's the small girl, right? I don't like what I'm seeing. And I think that's the 3rd puzzle piece. I mean the puzzle. I get a freaking double. There's not even that much cards in here and I get a double? You kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay, last pack. It's gonna be a puzzle piece. Let's go, it's a puzzle piece. This, what the fuck? That's an ass and a chicken. What am I looking at? Jojo, can you fucking not make any sound while I'm recording? You have like 24 hours a day when you're allowed to, and only like an hour when you're not. You're just making this on purpose. You fucking piece of shit. Stop. Get off the table. Get the fuck out. He's just running away because he knows I'm annoyed. And he knows that he needs to make some shit to get attention. Freaking attention whore. Okay, speaking about whores, let's see what we... Okay, cute, and a double, yeah, but that's fucking cool, yeah, let's get me more doubles, let's go, that's fun. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you, Web Traveler, I'm not sure how I feel about this box. The freaking box looks better than what I've seen. The cards are not bad, don't get me wrong. I've seen way worse than this, don't get me wrong, but this has so much potential. The shine is great, the card design is pretty awesome. One thing that you need to do, and you can choose, or get rid of the puzzle pieces, because fuck that shit, when you have only 3 cards in the pack, or add more cards in the pack. Like make it 5 cards in the pack, 2 of them puzzle pieces and 3 of them normal. Then this box would be like pretty decent, in my opinion. But as it stands right now, this is a perfect representation of this box. It's an ass with a chicken. On that note, I'm gonna say goodbye. I will see you in another one, Web Travelers.